You are welcome to this video. On this video today, I'm going to show you a beginner strategy that you can use to make up to $400 per day on Digistore24. This is very simple and it does not require any experience. You can do it wherever you are in the world. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button. Press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. As you can see on my dashboard, I've made $59,432.32. So this is the amount that I've made on this platform so far. You can see the number of clicks that I've gotten. So the problem with affiliate marketing is how to get clicks. So I'm going to show you exactly how to find a product and how to get free clicks to your affiliate link, so that you can make money from home without paying for anything. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that we are going to find a product to promote on this platform. So what you are going to do is that you have to click on the marketplace so that you can find products to promote. So just click on marketplace right here. Once you click on the marketplace, you are going to see a page like this. These are all categories of digital products that you can promote to earn money on Digistore24. Any product that you promote, you are going to be earning a commission. Most of them will give you up to 90% commission rate. Others will give you, as you can see, 85. Some will give you 60. Some will give you 75. It depends on the product that you are promoting. So as you can see, a whole lot of different products right here. You can see this one is 50%, and you can see in terms of money, you are going to earn $220.02. So there are a whole lot of them. So on today's video, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting physical products. This product right here is a weight loss product, but it is a physical product. So if you want to find many other physical products, you are going to scroll down, just scroll down, come to the button, click on physical products. So once you click on that, select supplements so that you can find physical products that help people to lose weight. So once you click on that, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see, this is one of the products that is getting a lot of sales, the Metric Oil. You can see the commission rate right here, 85%. In terms of money, that is $158.07. So this is the amount that you are going to receive if you get a sale. So assume you get up to 2 sales, 3 sales, multiply this number by the number of sales that you get. So one sale will be equal to $158.07. So once you scroll, you can see a whole lot of different supplements that you can promote. You can see this one right here. You are going to earn 65%, that is $92.51. So let me scroll down for you to see. You can see a whole lot of different supplements that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of them. So what we are going to be doing in this video is that I'm going to use this product to demonstrate step by step on how you can promote it and then earn money using free traffic. So this is very simple. You don't require any experience to do it. So the next step is that if you are new to the product, you have to check the landing page of the product so that you know how the product landing page looks like. You get more information about the product so that you can begin promoting it. You don't have to promote a product which you have zero knowledge about. That is very bad. So what you are going to do is that you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you are going to come right here, click on sales page so that you can see the landing page of the product. So once you click on sales page, you can see this is the sales page of the product. So this is the exact page that your customers are going to see before they purchase the product. And you can see that it's a video. This video is made by experienced marketers. So they are going to explain to the customer the reason why they should buy the product and what this product can do for them. So this is an easy product that you can promote. So once you get to know more about the product, the next step is that you are going to copy your affiliate link so that you can begin promoting this offer. So to get your affiliate link, you are going to copy it right here. If you are new to the product, you wouldn't see your link here. You are going to see promote now button. So let me scroll down. For example, you can see this one, promote now. So if you are new, you are going to see something like this. Just click on promote now so that you can get your affiliate link. So once you click on it, you will see something like this. This is your unique affiliate link that you must promote to get people to buy the product for you to earn a commission. The next thing is that we are going to find a traffic source whereby you can promote this link for free without paying for anything. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is Facebook. Facebook is one of the best traffic source that you can use to promote your products for free. So what we are going to be doing today is that we are going to be using Facebook groups to promote the product. The only challenge on Facebook is that if you post direct links, your account is going to be banned, or sometimes your post is going to be removed. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you a good strategy that you can use to get people on Facebook to click through your affiliate link and then purchase the product. This is a hidden strategy that I'm about to show you. So make sure you keep on watching, and then make sure you take action immediately after watching this video. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use Gmail so that I can set the whole process up and then come back to Facebook, so that I'll show you everything that you need to do to get people to purchase the product on Facebook. So what we are going to do is that we are going to use a Gmail. So if you don't have a Gmail account, just create one so that you can use this strategy that I'm about to show you. So once you are on your Gmail accounts, it's free to create one. So just search for gmail.com so that you can create your free account. So once you create your Gmail accounts, what I want you to do is that just come here, click on setting. Once you click on setting, select here see all settings. Once you click on see all settings, you are going to see a page like this. Just scroll down to the bottom. So as you can see here, you can see vacation responder. So what we are going to do is that we are going to set our email account so that it can automatically respond to people when they text a message to us. You can see it is vacation responder off. What we are going to do is that just click on vacation responder on. So once you select that, anyone who sent an email to us, this particular email account is automatically going to respond to the person. But you must leave a default message so that your accounts can automatically respond to anyone with your default message. So as you can see, I have mine here. I've been doing it, so as you can see my message, but I'm going to delete all this and then show you the product that I'm using today so that you can understand. You can see this is keto diet and I don't need that. I want to just delete everything. As you can see, I've deleted my message, but always remember to click on save changes so that your changes can be saved. As you can see, it is on right now. You can see vacation setting is on, but there is no message here. So what I want to do is that I want to delete the headline and I will put a message here for you to see. So what we are going to do is that we are going to delete this, then type discover the best weight loss supplement that burn fat fast. As you can see, discover the best weight loss supplement that burn fat fast. So let me add here that burns. So that burns fat fast. That has been done. So you have your subject. The next thing is the message. So you are going to type your message here. So when you come back to Digistore24, what you need to do is that you are going to copy your affiliate link. Just copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back to your autoresponder, and here you can say please click here to get access to the product now. So just as simple as that. As you can see, please click here. Okay, I think let me add that. Click here. So just highlight this text. Once you highlight it, come to the link icon right here. Once that is done, you are going to paste your affiliate link here. You can see my name right here. You can see my name here. So that means this is my affiliate link. Once that is done, you can test the link, but I don't want to do that. Just click on OK. So once that is done, everything is now set up. Just click on save changes. So once you click on save changes, you can see everything has been saved. So when you come here, you can see my email address, weightloss712@gmail.com. I suggest you also use a weight loss related name. So as you can see, that has been done. The next thing is that I'm going to test it for you to see that it actually works. So I'm going to use one of my emails so that I can send a message for you to see if it actually responds. So I'm going to send it on this email for you to see. You can see this one. So I'm going to use it to test it for you to see. So let me come to compose. So once you come to compose, let me just say hello. That is my message, and I'm going to put the recipient here. So the recipient is going to be my autoresponder email address. So I'm going to copy the responder right here. Just copy it. Once that is done, so let me paste that one. So as you can see, this is the email. So I'm going to send it for you to see. So just click on send. So once you click on send, it is automatically going to respond. So as you can see, it has responded. Let me open it for you to see. So as you can see, please click here to get access to the product now. As you can see the message, so it has automatically responded. Once you have set your Gmail autoresponder, the next thing is that you are going to come back to Facebook so that you can now promote the product right here. So once you come to Facebook, you are going to search for weight loss groups, because the product is related to weight loss. If the product is about anything else, you have to search for those specific groups so that you can promote the product in those groups. But this product is about weight loss, so you are going to search for weight loss. So just come to the search area and then just type in weight loss so that you can get weight loss group to join and then promote the product. So I'm just going to search for how to lose weight fast so that I can show you groups that you can join. As you can see, this is a group, how to lose weight fast. You can join this group by just click here so that you can find many groups that you can join. Just click on this particular icon, the group icon. As you can see, there are a lot of groups that you can join. You can see this one here, weight loss tips that really work. You can see I'm a member of that group. You can see another one right here, strictly weight loss group. I'm a member of that group too. So let me click on see all so that you can see all the groups that I've joined and the groups that you can also join. So as you can see, I'm a member of a lot of groups on Facebook. As you can see, many of them. So you can see that there are still groups that you can join. So you have to just come on Facebook and join the groups as many as you can so that you can promote the product in these groups for free. So as I scroll, you can see a whole lot of them. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use one of these groups to demonstrate for you to see how it is done so that you can follow the same step to promote your product. So I'm going to use this group right here, how to lose weight fast. So you can see that this group has 120,000 members. You can see this one has 114,000 members. You can see this one 144,000 members. So these are groups that has a lot of members. So if you promote your products onto this group, you are going to get a lot of people who take action and you are going to be making money. So I'm going to open this one to show you. So just click on the group so that you can open it. Once you open the group, you are going to create a post onto this group so that members can read your post and then take action. As you can see here, this is a public group, so the restrictions are not going to be all that too much. So make sure you find groups like this and then promote the products. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to create a post right here so that I can promote the product. So what you are going to do is that you have to write a nice post about weight loss and then post it on this group. So I have my post. I'm going to show it to you so that you can follow the same step and create a nice post. As you can see here, this is my post, how to naturally lose weight fast. So this is my post, and what I'm going to do is that I'm going to post it onto the group. But you may ask, how do I get people to click through my affiliate links? So let me scroll down to show you. You can see that I have a lot of tips that I'm going to show to the members. But when you come to the last tip, you can see I just wrote the name of the product that I'm offering. The Medical weight loss supplement is also one of the products that will help them to lose weight. So I just described the product. Once I've described it, I came here. You can see for more information, send me an email via, and then this is my Gmail autoresponder. So anytime the group members send me a message through this email accounts, it is going to respond them automatically by sending them the link. So that is how you are going to be promoting the product on Facebook. So what you are going to do is that you are going to copy your post and then paste it onto the group so that you can get people to read it and then send you an email, and your email is going to automatically respond to them by sending them the link, and once they buy the product, you'll be earning commission on Digistore24. So let me show you how I got this long post. So what I did is that I just searched on Google how to lose weight and I got this article. So what I did is that I just copied some portions of this article and then post it on a Google document. Once I've done that, the last point, I added my own description about the product that I'm promoting. So that is the method that I use to create the post. So once you have your post like this, just highlight it. Once you highlight it, you are going to copy the post. Once you copy the post, just bring it to Facebook. You can see right here, write something, just click on that. Once you click on that, you are going to paste your post here. As you can see, that has been done. This is my post. You can see everything about the post. You can see that there's a link here. That is not my link. So what I just need to do is that just cut it off. So as you can see, this is the post. So let me scroll for you to see everything about the post. So now that you have your post, the next thing is that you are going to post it onto the group. So what I'm going to do is that just click on post. As you can see, it has been posted, waiting for admin approval. So you are not going to stop here. You have to continue to the next group so that you can get a lot of people to send you an email. So what you are going to do is that you are going to open another group like this. Once you open it, just come right here, click on write something. So once you click on that, you are going to paste your message here. So let's paste the message here. Once that is done, you can see the message is the same. So just come here, cut the link off. So once that is done, you are going to post your message here so that you can get a lot of people to purchase the product. You can see this is done. So once this is done, you are going to post it to another group. So make sure you change the message a little bit and then post as many as you can to different groups so that you can get a lot of people to click through your affiliate link and then take action. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.